Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel India Health and Beauty TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy smoothie bowl that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Let's get started. Let's gather our ingredients for the smoothie. You will need 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1/2 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey. It is optional for sweetness. Now add toppings of your choice like granola, fresh fruit, nuts and seeds. Now we have everything ready for the smoothie. Let's start by adding the frozen banana and mixed berries to the blender. Blend until smooth. Now, add the spinach and almond milk to the blender. Blend again until everything is well combined and smooth. If you like your smoothie a bit sweeter, you can add a tablespoon of honey at this stage. Blend one more time to mix it in. Finally, add some chia seeds and give it one last blend. This will help thicken the smoothie bowl and add some extra nutrients. Now, pour your smoothie mixture into a bowl. It should have a thick, creamy consistency, perfect for eating with a spoon. Time to add your favorite toppings. I'm going with granola, fresh berries, and some sliced almonds, and there you have it, a delicious and healthy smoothie bowl which you are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Let me know in the comments what your favorite smoothie bowl toppings are. Have a great day.